I made a free After Effects script that helps keep your project files cleaner by reducing the number of solids that you have in that project, and let me show you exactly how it works. This is the title graphic for my course, Launch into After Effects, that teaches you all kinds of different projects that you can create as a motion designer through After Effects. And like any good project file, it's going to have lots and lots of redundancy in the solids folder. This is just an artifact of how After Effects works. Lots of these adjustment layers are the exact same size, multiple null objects that are, again, all the same thing for these solids. You would think that going up to the File, Dependencies, Consolidate All Footage menu command would reduce all of that redundancy and consolidate everything, but it does not pay attention to your solids folder. That is where Solid Sweeper comes into play. It's going to analyze all of the solids in your project, find those redundant copies and merge them all together, replacing all of the instances used throughout your comps in the entire project. And all you have to do is click the button. As soon as you do that, it's going to reduce all of the redundancy possible. We get a little report that shows that we had 10 unused items in our solids folder that just weren't being used anywhere in my project. We had 18 solids to start. We're ending with 4. We consolidated 12, and we have a 78% consolidation rate. So we've completely reduced down the solids to just the ones that are unique and replaced all of the redundant solids with instances of those 4. It's really that simple. There's nothing else to Solid Sweeper, but this is a really great way to polish up your project file before you hand it off to someone else, or clean up a project file that maybe somebody else just handed to you. Solids drive me crazy in After Effects, and Solid Sweeper just restores a little bit of my sanity. So I hope that you enjoy Solid Sweeper. You can install it by placing it in the Script UI Panels folder for your version of After Effects. There's installation instructions on the product page if you've never installed a script before, but if you also don't want it taking up so much UI space for such a simple little utility, you can also run it from the File Scripts menu, or by placing it in another tool like Code Runner, which is a free script launcher that I've created. You can download this as well in the description, but you can place that in a button that allows you to just run that script anytime you click it. We don't have anything to consolidate, so our report is showing that we're already squeaky clean, but this way you can collect specific utilities and functions into buttons that you use all the time. Code Runner also allows you to apply expressions and even presets, and like I said, it's completely free. But this also works great with tools like K-Bar or Mobar if you're already using those. I really want my tools to be accessible in whatever way that you want to work, so download it, let me know what you think of it. If you run into any bugs or you have any feature requests, let me know down in the comments and I'll see what I can do about it. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one.